Now we will do our experiment in Proteus. First of all, run this Proteus software as administrator mode. So first click new project. So we will name it lab 1. Next. So just select default schematic size. We are not creating any PCB, so do not create any PCB. Next, no firmware. Next, this is the summary. Finish. So this is our editing window. First of all, we will take some ICs for our project. So this is our first circuit. So we need an inverter, AND gate, and a OR gate, and for one input and some output. So for input we will use logic toggle, and for output we will use LED, light emitting diode. To add your ICs and required things in the Proteus editor, we have to go to the component mode and then click this P button. So this is a PIC device. So this window will appear, and first of all we will search for a AND gate, AND. You see we are getting and this is our AND gate. So if you press double click, it will appear over here. So next one is our OR gate. So here is OR gate active. Okay, done. Now we will use logic toggle. This is our input device, and output we will check it in a LED. So there is different kind of LEDs. So I will pick LED red one, double click. Okay. So now if you want to put the AND gates first, just click AND gate and place it where you want. So then, and we need another AND. So first click once, it will appear, and in the next click you can place it anywhere you want. And this is the OR. Okay, and this logic toggle for A and B. Another thing, we need an inverter. So go to your component mode again, select NOT gate. So this is not inverter. Okay, NOT gate. So here one input will go, you can edit anywhere, and right button, click right button and edit properties and give a name A. For this, give a name B. Okay, here one input will come direct from A and another will be B bar. So for B bar we are using NOT gate. So it will become B bar and it will goes to this place, and for this B will come directly and another will come through a NOT gate. So you can put it right here, connect it, and it will come from A. Okay, and this output will go to this OR input, and we want to see the output with the LED. So you can put a LED over here, and we need to ground the other side of the LED. So to find the ground, you have to go to terminals mode search for ground, this one, place it over here and then connect it. Okay, so this is our first circuit, which is very simple. Now let's simulate this one, whether this is working or not. So this is the simulation button. If you play it, it will start for working. So our case was in 0 0 the output should show 0. So in this case is true, so there is no output, so output is low. And for 0 1, which is this is 0, this is 1, so you can click it over here, it will become 1 and our output is 1, so this is true. And another case was 1 0, so this is 1, this is 0, and for that case it should show high at the output, so this is also true. And for if the both input is 1, output should go to 0. So this is actually following our truth table, so our circuit is perfectly working. And our another circuit was just we have to use only NOR gate. So let's go to component mode, search for a NOR gate. So here is NOR active, click it, okay. So we will use the same input. So in the first case it will go from A and B, so this is A and this is B. In the next input, one will go from here, another will go from here, and one input will be A, so this line is A, so you can connect it like this. And for this case another input is B, so this is B, so this is B. And here okay, so here we want to see also output. We will check with a different LED just for a clear view. LED, let's pick the yellow one, connect it over here, done. And you need a ground again. Okay, so our both circuit should work similarly. Let's check it. Okay, 0 0 both are off, so that's true. If this is 1, okay, so this is working and this is also working. If 1, this is working and this is working. Okay, if both 1, both are off, so our both circuit is working perfectly. So this is using only as gates, and this is made using only NOR gates. So that's all from the first lab experiment. Thank you all.